Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code with Maheen. Today is video of how to write text in HTML CSS. So let's start. First I will open my Sublime text. I have opened it. I will close this. Then I open new file. New file. Click on new file. Then save as. I will save it as index.html and click on save. Yes. Then I will save it as this in index.css. Save this also. Then here I will write in index.html. I will write html. Then I will press enter, or you can press tab also. Then here I will write document. Then I will link it. So link is very important. Sorry. Link. Type text CSS is not important for us. We will remove it. Then here I will write. We have written index.css, so we will write index.css. Then here I will write H1, enter it, and heading 1 will be my Maheen Bake. Heading 2 will be my developer. 2 will be my developer. If you are gamer, you can write gamer also. If you are designer, you can write designer also. I will go on index.css. Then here I will write h1 curly bracket, enter it, and first I will here write font family. Then I will write Roboto, comma, sans serif. Then here I will write font size. I have written wrong, so I will close. I have written in caps lock. Font size. My font size will be 25 pixels. Wait, I have written wrong. Font. Here is coming font size. I will enter font size and it will be my 25 pixels. Then my font, I have to write font weight. My font weight will be bold. Save all. Then index.css we will do save all. Then I will go on index. Now you can see Maheen Bake developer is coming. If you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. It is important to subscribe my channel so you can see my latest videos and press on the bell icon. Can you press the bell icon so you can see my latest videos. Thank you for today. Goodbye.